Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gun safes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, build quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the ZIWJHK Digital Electronic Money Safe. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, priced at an affordable $35.99, making it accessible for anyone who wants basic security for their valuables. It features a compact design with a capacity of 0.23 cubic feet, allowing it to easily fit into a closet, drawer, or under a table. Made from SPCC steel, it offers decent durability for its price range, along with two 18mm live locking bolts to deter tampering. Setting up the ZIWJHK safe is straightforward, with easy-to-follow steps for programming your personal code. It also offers dual access methods, a keypad for electronic entry and an override key for emergencies. While the safe includes basic fireproofing and an alarm system, it lacks water resistance and advanced security features. Its lightweight build, at just 5.61 pounds, makes it portable but less sturdy compared to higher-end models. This safe is ideal for users who need a simple and affordable solution for securing cash, jewelry, or small firearms. However, it's not the best choice for high-value items due to its limited size and entry-level build quality. Pros include affordability, compact size, and ease of use, while cons include lower durability and minimal advanced features. At number 4, we have the ZIWJHK 2.3 cubic feet safe box. This mid-range safe strikes a balance between price and functionality, offering a spacious 2.3 cubic feet of storage with adjustable shelves for better organization. The biometric fingerprint scanner ensures quick access, while its alarm system adds an extra layer of security. The safe is crafted from high-quality metal, providing durability and resistance to forced entry, though it lacks internal batteries, requiring separate installation. One standout feature is its sensitive alarm system, which triggers immediately in case of tampering or unauthorized access. The interior is roomy enough to store firearms, heirlooms, and important documents, making it versatile for home or office use. However, its freestanding design means it may not be as secure as wall-mounted options, and the lack of water resistance could be a downside for some users. This safe is perfect for those looking for a reliable yet affordable option with biometric functionality and enhanced storage capacity. Pros include spacious interior, customizable shelves, and advanced security features like the alarm system. Cons include the need for external battery installation and lack of water resistance. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who prioritize value over premium features. Coming in at number 3 is the Amazon Basics Steel Home Security Electronic Safe, priced at $91.49. This safe offers a solid mix of reliability, size, and functionality without breaking the bank. With a capacity of 1.8 cubic feet, it provides ample space for safeguarding documents, jewelry, and small firearms. Its programmable electronic keypad ensures secure access, while a backup key is included for emergencies. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the safe features an 8-gauge steel door, a 14-gauge steel body, live door bolts, and concealed hinges for enhanced security. One of its key advantages is the inclusion of pre-drilled mounting holes and hardware, making it easy to secure to a floor or wall for added stability. The internal shelf helps organize your belongings, and the overall build quality is robust and durable. However, this safe lacks advanced features like biometric access or integrated lighting, and it is not fireproof or waterproof. This safe is ideal for users seeking a dependable, mid-size solution for home or office use at a reasonable price. Pros include durable construction, easy installation, and reliable performance. Cons include the absence of advanced features and limited portability due to its weight. Overall, it's a great choice for everyday use. At number 2, we have the Mikar Biometric Slider Pistol Safe. This bedside gun safe is designed with convenience and security in mind, offering 3 quick access methods: biometric fingerprint, PIN code, and backup keys. The fingerprint scanner can store up to 100 fingerprints for fast and reliable entry, while the smooth slider design allows you to grab your firearm vertically without fumbling. Priced at $149.99, it's a premium option that provides excellent build quality and user experience. The safe features an integrated LCD that displays real-time temperature, humidity levels, and battery life, helping you maintain the optimal environment for your firearm. The LED lighting inside ensures visibility even in the dark, and the silent mode allows for discreet access during emergencies. Effortless vertical installation makes it versatile for mounting on nightstands, walls, desks, or dressers. This safe is perfect for responsible gun owners who prioritize quick access and advanced features. Pros include biometric access, a user-friendly LCD display, and premium build quality. Cons include a relatively higher price point and limited storage space for larger items. Overall, it's an excellent investment for firearm safety and quick accessibility. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Aurora Air Biometric Smart Safe. Priced at $199.99, this premium safe combines cutting-edge technology with robust security features, making it the ultimate choice for those who want the best. This safe offers 3 access methods: biometric fingerprint, a backlit keypad, and backup keys. The fingerprint scanner is highly accurate, with a false acceptance rate of less than 0.02%, ensuring secure and quick access. It also features wireless charging for your phone and smartwatch, as well as a 24/7 digital clock that displays time, humidity, temperature, battery life, and lock status. The integrated LED light ensures effortless access in dark environments, and the silent mode enhances discretion during emergencies. With a capacity of 0.71 cubic feet, it's compact yet spacious enough to store firearms, jewelry, and small valuables. The durable alloy steel construction ensures long-lasting reliability, while the sleek design fits seamlessly into any bedside, office, or nightstand. This safe is perfect for tech-savvy users who want top-notch security and modern convenience. Pros include biometric precision, wireless charging, and advanced display features. Cons include its premium price and smaller capacity compared to larger safes. Overall, it's the gold standard for gun safes in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.